Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, it's the world away, and I've got something exciting to show you. It's a little mod or a little upgrade or just a little extra item that you can have for the Build the Delorean from Mr. Fusion Designs. Now, God, it must have been about 3 or 4 live streams back. I was talking about how I'm just stashing all of the tyres for the DeLorean that I've taken off, because as you can see, I've put the railroad tyres on now. I've got 2 more to take off, and at the moment I'm just left with tyres lying around, and either they're going to gather dust here or they're going to be in a drawer and you're never going to see them again. And I said, wouldn't it be good if someone creates some sort of rack for them? Well, cue Mr. Fusion Designs, and I've been over to the website, and they don't only have a tyre rack, they've got all these other things that you can get just to add that little bit more spice to the build of the DeLorean. And he was gracious enough to actually send me the tyre rack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that together and show you what it's like. Really impressive it is. Now, when you get this, you obviously get his little logo, blinding logo there actually. There's a little business card in there as well, which take you to the website and an email address, and I'll put them on the screen as well for you anyway. Okay, putting this together is dead simple. Basically, we're just going to be putting these into the corresponding spots where they go. What I am going to do is I'm just going to drop some glue just into these spots here, just a couple of bits. Doesn't need too much, just to hold them in once they're in place. I'm being very stingy with the glue. There we go, that's excellent. And let's just show you how this goes. So basically, the first piece, number 8, they sort of like go round in a circle, but that's going to be going in, just getting my right way round here, this way round, just like that. So that when you actually see this from the front, you'll be seeing that, and it is the right way up. So I'm just going to hold that in place just for a second. And then I'm going to put the second piece in. If that was number 8, the second piece is going to be number 7. They're all labelled. So number 7, again, keep the number face down because you don't want people seeing that. That's number 7 in. Simples. And then the next one, number 6. Look how easy this is. So number 6 just going into there like that. Then we've got number 5. Number 5 is just going on this back edge here. So put that in this one here. Bump. Number 4. This one here, which will go into the centre. I haven't looked at the instructions once. Well, apart from at the start. And the last one, number 3, again, making sure this goes the right way around, just like that, which will be going into this port right here. And then we've got the top to put on, which will be going on this way, just like that. I'm just going to wait till that glue sets, because I'm going to turn this upside down, and I'm going to slot these parts just into this section here. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'll just drop some glue just into these little bits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not a lot of glue there. Then I turn this over, and then I just line all of these up and get them all pushed in. Looking like that. See how quick that was to put together? How cool is that? Let me just show you the photos that Mr. Fusion's got on their website there, and you can see how detailed this actually is. Now, I can't wait to start putting some tyres into this. So, he's labelled them Back to the Future 3 down the bottom and Back to the Future 1 on top. So, down the bottom, I'm going to be putting my white wall tyres. Doesn't matter what way round I put them in. I'll probably put them in with 2 silvers going that way, I guess. And then it doesn't matter what ways I put the middle ones in. So that's that one in there. And that one in there. Now, I've still got 2... Look how good they fit in there. How cool is that? I'll probably try and take a picture of this to show you that as well. Just on the screen. Which means on the top there, we've got room now for the 2 that I've taken off for Back to the Future. And they can just fit on just like that. And yeah, I'm sure you'll agree. That is an excellent tyre rack for the vehicle. I've got 2 more to go on soon. But that has solved the problem big time of what I'm going to do with the tyres. So I'm really impressed with that. So well done to the people over at Mr. Fusion Designs. If you want to get this yourself, I've actually put the link down the bottom there through this whole video presentation. And just go over to that and you'll be able to order these. You can see all the other items he's got on there that really makes, as I said, this model pop. And it's basically things that you didn't realise you need until you actually need them. Anyway, look, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.